I am programmed to respect copyright laws and cannot provide access to copyrighted materials. Copyright protects the rights of creators and owners of intellectual property. This protection prevents unauthorized reproduction, distribution, and modification of their work. Understanding copyright is crucial for navigating the digital landscape and ensuring compliance with legal regulations. Accessing and using copyrighted material without permission can lead to legal consequences. There are several key aspects to consider when dealing with copyrighted content. Firstly, understanding what constitutes copyrightable material is essential. This includes a wide range of creative works such as literary works, musical compositions, dramatic works, pantomimes and choreographic works, pictorial, graphic, and sculptural works, motion pictures and other audiovisual works, and sound recordings. Secondly, it's important to recognize the rights granted to copyright holders. These rights typically include the right to reproduce the work, prepare derivative works, distribute copies of the work, perform the work publicly, and display the work publicly. Thirdly, understanding the concept of fair use is important. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. However, the application of fair use is often complex and depends on several factors, including the purpose and character of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount and substantiality of the portion used, and the effect of the use upon the potential market for or value of the copyrighted work. Fourthly, identifying the copyright owner is crucial when seeking permission to use copyrighted material. This often involves conducting research to determine who holds the rights to the work. Fifthly, obtaining permission to use copyrighted material typically involves contacting the copyright owner and requesting a license or agreement that outlines the terms and conditions of use. Sixthly, respecting the terms and conditions of any licenses or agreements is essential to ensure compliance with copyright law. Seventhly, recognizing the potential for infringement is important. Copyright infringement occurs when copyrighted material is used without permission or in a way that exceeds the scope of a license or fair use. Eighthly, understanding the penalties for copyright infringement is also important. Penalties can include monetary damages, injunctions, and in some cases, criminal charges. Ninthly, knowing how to avoid copyright infringement is vital. This can involve seeking permission, using public domain materials, or creating original content. Tenthly, understanding the duration of copyright protection is also important. Copyright protection typically lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years, although this can vary depending on the specific circumstances and the country in which the work is protected. There are resources available to help individuals and organizations understand and comply with copyright law. These include government agencies, legal professionals, and educational materials. The U.S. Copyright Office provides information on copyright law and registration procedures. Legal professionals specializing in intellectual property law can provide guidance on specific copyright issues. Educational materials such as books, articles, and online resources can help individuals learn about copyright law and best practices. It is always recommended to consult with a legal professional for specific advice on copyright matters.